Okay, it's looking like I gotta come up with some new shit. And it look like I gotta come up with a new bitch. Now I'm drinking juice, and I gotta juice. Who is this guy? He dissing do. And he dissing who? I got to Mac up. You better pull your car for backup. Oh my god, you cannot see me in this game. You cannot see me in rapping. And that's a shame, cause I'm about to do this all day, babe. And it's gonna be doing nits like, hey. And I'ma shoot you down. And I'ma clown around, cause you just done a down. And I'ma gun you down. Hit the A button like this Titanfall, no. And I'ma hit the trigger, and then you gonna be gone, no. Oh my god, you gonna be gone, no. And I'ma hit the red dot like porno. Oh my god. This is RedTube Truths, and you about to get the dudes, and I'm about to get the oohs, E on you, and I'm gonna climb the top, cause that's where I'm at against you. You're nothing, you're just a cat in the. I see you every day rummaging through my trash. I see you cause you just killed that girl named Miss Baz. Oh. That's the sound of you when you get shot by me. That's the sound of you when you got dropped by me. Cause my handles are way better than yours. You can't even be talking. Cause I'm the one who showed you these toys, baby. I'm in Mercedes. And you already know that I'm going to Hades. You already know that I'm a hoe. Psych, no. That's the other guy. Jeremiah Wilson. Who do you think you are? And you gonna die. And you gonna die. Cause you think you fly. You think you fly. Bass.